Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be doing an amazing Escovitch fish weight festival. Today is holiday in Jamaica, so normally would be at the beach or and stuff, but because of the COVID-19, so no beach today. So I'm just gonna chill home, do my Escovitch with my festival, have myself few red stripe. I want to say big shout out to Pamela Mitchell over there in Canada. Big up J Nation. Big up yourself. People, you need to go and check out J Nation on YouTube. Beautiful girl. If you're just passing through on her channel for the first time, you need to subscribe over to her channel. And also I want to say thanks to all of my viewers and subscribers. Keep on pushing the channel. I'm so proud of you guys. We have a lot more to achieve from this channel, so we have to just continue push on the channel and deliver some awesome content, and we're reached. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Guys, this is the fish that I'm gonna be using for the Escovitch. Fresh fish. Also I have my water, so I'm gonna add some vinegar in the water. And guys, one thing I want to recommend you guys with the all-purpose Maggi all-purpose seasoning. If you guys are in Jamaica as a visitor, always try to bring back one of this season. This all-purpose seasoning put the delicious in everything you eat. Oh my god, this is the season that everything I cook, this is the season that I use. So I'm gonna wash all my fish. Always remember to wash your fish or your meat in some vinegar, okay? So guys, this is my fish. Just done season them up. So I'm just waiting on the oil to hot in the frying pan. So please stay tuned, guys. So I'm putting in the pepper in the pot for the oil. So basic reason for the pepper to be in the pot is just to get the pepper and the flavor towards the fish. So it's just a simple reason. So basically we're just waiting on the oil to get real hot to put the fish in, because I don't want to put the fish in the cold oil either. So I'm just waiting on the oil to reach the right temperature. Fish is ready frying now. Escovitch Fish Weight Festival. So I know it's holiday setting, so I'm not going on the beach today, so I'm just taking it at the yard, you know? Doing up my fish and chilling. So I'm checking on the fish, guys. Beautiful stuff, beautiful. Still checking on my fish. So guys, I'm making festival with my Escovitch fish. Some person like Escovitch fish with bunny, some like it with bread, some like it with festival. So I don't know how you guys like yours, but this is the way how I like mine. turning the fish. I'm gonna put in the other one after I'm done frying these two, okay? So, because I don't want to put the three of them in the frying pot one time. Jamaica life, nice guys, beautiful place to live. Fresh fish, fresh food, everything good. Guys, I'm just taking out the fish out of the aisle, so just put in the next one. So I'm gonna be checking on them in a bit. Guys, this is my onion, which I have one white onion, one carrot, roughly 3 pepper that I'm gonna be using for the vinaigrette dressing for the fish. However, I'm using roughly 3 pepper because you can use more, because in case you're a person who doing the Escovitch fish and you like your food spicy, you could add more pepper, but I'm just adding 3 pepper towards mine. So this is the vinaigrette dressing with my carrot, pepper, onion. As I said, I'm using 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper is not really a pepper you guys should play with, but I'm a person who loves spicy food, so in case you guys in the comment section wanted to do the vinaigrette dressing for the Escovitch fish, it depends upon your family whole, if you have kids and stuff like that. Vinaigrette dressing really coming on good. So guys, this is the vinaigrette dressing on my fish. So this is the final part about doing the Escovitch fish. So I'm just gonna put them to cool off a little bit. Let me get a taste. So guys, this is the festival. Now the festival is, I could prepare this one by myself, but I buy the one that's in the supermarket. So it's basically made from flour and milk and a mixture of butter and stuff put together. So this is what I'm gonna make the festival from. So this is the dough for the festival. I'm mixing in. Actually finished mix. So this is what it looks like, guys. Actually made from flour, milk, and butter and stuff. So if you are making the festival from scratch, you can also use baking flour. So one set of the festival done, this is the color that I'm looking for from a festival. Pretty golden color. I'm checking back on the, because I don't want them to burn too much. I'm just turning them in the oil. I'm putting them on a piece of paper towel, and the reason for the paper towel just to reduce back the oil out of the festival. Festival looking good. So this is my Escovitch fish, guys, on festival. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if this is the first time you come across my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so please like, share and comment. Thank you.